All right, gentlemen, let's dive into what makes you genuinely attractive to women. So often we get caught up in the superficial aspects like height, hair, or whatever. But it's time to focus on what really matters. It's not about your looks. It's about what's inside, your drive, your passion, and your purpose in life. When you've got that fire burning within you, women can't help but be drawn to you. Trust me on this. Think of it as the gravitational pull of the sun that keeps planets in orbit. Your inner fire acts as the magnetic force that attracts those who appreciate your authenticity. Your purpose and passion become your gravitational center, drawing people into your orbit. And it's incredibly compelling. Now, I've got 4 powerful masculine traits that women find irresistible and attractive in men to share with you, and these are the real game changers, each with its own unique charm. Number 1, be an empathetic listener. You see, women are wired a bit differently than us. They often see the world from a different angle, and sometimes they need someone to lean on when things get tough. When a woman opens up to you, it's more than just a casual conversation. It's a sign of trust and intimacy, so when she talks, be all ears. No, I'm not talking about passive listening, where you just nod and pretend to be interested. I mean truly being present in that moment. Look her in the eyes, put away any distractions, and show that you genuinely care about what she's saying. The thing is, most of the time, she's not looking for a solution. She just needs someone to be there, to listen, and understand. Imagine the woman you like for a second. Let's call her Sarah. Sarah's going through a tough time at work. She's been stressed out, and you can see it's been taking a toll on her. Sarah opens up to you one evening, sharing her work-related struggles and frustrations. Instead of offering quick solutions or downplaying her concerns, you put into practice the advice of being an empathetic listener. You make a conscious effort to truly engage with her words. You maintain eye contact, put away your phone, and give her your undivided attention. As she talks, you don't interrupt or offer unsolicited advice. Instead, you nod in understanding, validating her feelings. You ask her gently, do you need someone to talk to or someone to help fix it? With genuine kindness and sensitivity, making it clear that you're there for her, no matter what she needs. Your empathetic listening allows Sarah to feel heard, supported, and valued. She appreciates your empathy and willingness to be there for her without judgment. Your approach strengthens your bond and demonstrates the power of being an empathetic listener and building trust and intimacy in your relationships. Number 2, take care of yourself. Let's be real, personal grooming and taking care of your physical self matter. It's not just about how you dress, it's about the whole package. Women appreciate a man who's in good shape. Those broad shoulders and a solid chest give them a sense of security. But it's not just about appearances, it's what they symbolize. Being physically fit shows discipline, organization, and a willingness to put in the effort. Take the example of David Goggins, an ultra-endurance athlete and former Navy SEAL who says, "You have to build calluses on your mind just like how you build calluses on your hands." Physical fitness is a reflection of mental strength, showing you can handle adversity and keep pushing forward. So it's not just a matter of vanity, it's about being the best version of yourself. Women are naturally drawn to men who invest in their well-being, understanding that it promises a great experience and a partner who can navigate life's challenges with grace. They simply can't resist it. It's hardwired into their nature, and despite what some might say, it's a biological reality. When you're physically appealing and well-groomed, you become a magnet. So remember, gentlemen, it's not just about looking good. It's about the entire package: mind, body, and soul. Number 3, authentic confidence. Let's clear up a common misconception about confidence. It's not about strutting around like you own the world, bragging and putting others down. That's arrogance, not confidence. Real confidence is found in the small, everyday moments. It's how you handle those little hiccups, especially when you're with a woman. Picture this. You're on a date, and something doesn't go as planned. Maybe you stumble over your words when ordering, or you make a clumsy move. The key here is that a confident man can laugh it off, acknowledge his imperfections, and not let those minor slip-ups ruin the moment. He gracefully embraces them, and it all stems from being comfortable with your true self, flaws and all. This kind of confidence is irresistible because you're not trying to impress her with a facade. You're revealing your genuine self. But it goes beyond just staying cool in awkward situations. It's about making decisions, being an effective communicator, and standing up for your beliefs. Women want a man who can handle tough conversations without dodging them. It's not about your physical appearance, it's about your inner strength. If someone tries to belittle you in her presence, you don't back down or react childishly. You address the situation with grace or turn it into playful banter. This shows her that you're self-assured, and that's a major turn-on. Number 4, never stop expanding your horizons. Being in the dark is a luxury you can't afford. You've got to keep progressing. Let me break it down for you with some real-life examples. You see, everything I've been preaching about hinges on knowledge. It's not just knowing stuff, it's how you apply it in your life. Take Thomas Edison's words, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Edison didn't just hoard knowledge. He used it to invent the light bulb and transform the world. Don't be one of those people who talk a big game but can't back it up. Like the wise words of Bruce Lee, knowing is not enough. We must apply. Willing is not enough. We must do. Your knowledge should translate into action, making a real impact. Look at Steve Jobs, who said innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. He knew that it's not just about what you know, but what you do with that knowledge. So, never assume you've got it all figured out, and don't get too fixated on your looks or living at the gym. Life is a complex puzzle, and there's always more to discover. Continuous learning and self-improvement are your secret weapons. All right, gentlemen, I hope you've been paying attention, because these points are pure gold when it comes to understanding what truly attracts women. Remember, it's not all about superficial stuff like height or hair. It's about what's inside, your drive, passion, and purpose. Be an empathic listener. Take care of yourself, be confident, and never stop learning and growing. Take these pointers to heart. They're not just about appealing to women. They're about becoming a better, more attractive version of yourself. Now, as we wrap things up, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you're looking to level up in life. Until next time, my friend.